Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What have we got? We've got our friends at EC Power in with one of their last generation Nissan Navaras. The hard lid ain't working for them, so we're going to get a fiberglass canopy fitted and a couple of racks on this bad boy today. Let's get right into it.
It's lying to myself. I'm greener grass. Dream another life, one that's not so hard. I can get lost down that dangerous road. I am not them. I do not know what they're really going through. There's a lot that I assume. Freedom I get from the work that I do. Thoughts that I choose. Feelings I soothe. Finding the mingle of ease. Loving what is. Wouldn't it be grand if I settled in to love my life? What I have made foundations strong, built with bricks instead of straw. Gratitude, wiser have learned to nourish their own. Life is not in the escape Home to the mountaineer.
gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of this fiberglass canopy on this Nissan Navara. Too many calls today. I'm going to put that bad boy on hold very quickly. So, what do you get with the fiberglass canopy? For $3,500, you get central locking on the rear door as standard. We've wired that to the car's key. So we're going to go ahead and unlock that bad boy. Boom, unlocked. You can see both sides lift up windows come standard. Interior vinyl comes standard. Front sliding window comes standard. Interior light with battery operation comes standard as well. Very, very premium canopy. All stainless steel. Running gear. Central locking on the rear door, like I mentioned as well. But fret not. Central locking stops working. You've also got the key access as well. Spoiler with the brake light. In this instance, we've gone ahead and fitted a pair of heavy duty bars on the canopy as well. These ones are rated up to 100 kilograms, variable load 200 kilograms static, without having to put any additional reinforcement on the inside. You need a canopy, steel, aluminium, fiberglass, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. A lot more of these in the pipeline. I'll see you guys on the next one.